Hi, my name is Daphne Verlek and I teach Dutch as a second language to expats in the Netherlands. Today I'm not talking about the Dutch language, but I'm speaking about options of things you can do during the Christmas break in the Netherlands. Maybe you just arrived and haven't had a chance yet. Maybe you were too busy doing all the other things you need to do whilst arriving in the Netherlands. Or maybe you did all the touristy things and now you're out of options. So today I will show you a few options of the wonderful things you can do in the Netherlands during the Christmas break. The first website I wanted to show you is the website from the ANWB. The ANWB is the place to go if you want to know something about a holiday, traffic, cars, bicycles, travel, anything you would like to know around these topics you find in this website. By the way, I'm not sponsored, so this is just my personal experience and also from all my other students that I pointed to this website. So today I wanted to show you the erop uit option on this website. So erop uit means to go out on or into or with somebody on a trip. And in this place of the website you can find a day out, een dagje uit, weekend out, een weekendje weg. Fietsroutes, so where you can go with your bicycles, and hiking routes, and uitjes and tickets, outings and tickets. So for the first step I would like to show you the dagje uit option, so a day out. So if I scroll a little bit down, you see that there's specific tips for the winter, which is of course what we're looking for at the moment. So things you can do with children, things you can do in the city, and places you can go for wonderful hikes and walks. If I scroll down a little bit, there's options for multiple days, een paar dagen weg. And if I scroll even further down, then we say a wonderful app that you can use when you want to go by car and park your car somewhere. So in this app you can park your car anywhere, pay with the app, make sure you stop and start your parking time. And this way you're always able to park everywhere. The second part from the website I wanted to show you is also in the erop uit part, but this one is called uitjes and tickets. So when I open it up, I now open up the one that says bekijk alle uitjes van ANWB erop uit, so the whole list. And the nice thing about this part of the website is that you find lots of options everywhere in the Netherlands. You can select on location or types of activities you would like to do or what kind of company you're with. And then you get a discount for every activity, which is wonderful. So that way you know for sure that you get a discount. You know for sure you've got the tickets, and you know also what's to do and how to get there. The second website I wanted to show you is the one from the NS. NS is Nederlandse Spoorwegen, the railway system in the Netherlands. So many people ask me, so what do they have to do with me going out for a day? Well, also on this website we have wonderful things you can use to go out for a day. So first I will show you the one that says products. So in this one, a wonderful thing you can use is the PNR option. PNR stands for Park and Ride. So if you want to go to a big city but you don't want to park in the city center because it's too expensive or it's difficult to go there, you can park on the outside of the city on a PNR parking space, and there's an insurance that there is a good public transport. And when you buy the ticket, you also get like a ticket to use in the public transport. And with that ticket, you can go from and to the parking space to the city center, but also travel within the limits of the city center from one place to another. The other thing I wanted to show you is the groepsticket. So you're considered to be a group from two people onwards and more. So in the groepsticket, you can buy one. This is only valid during daluren. This means that you're not traveling during a rush hour, but after rush hour and before the rush hour in the evening, or after rush hour in the evening. And over here you find that wherever you want to go in the Netherlands, if it's from all the way to from the south to all the way to the north, you can buy a ticket for two for 34 euros, which is a one-way ticket. So if you want a return ticket, you need to buy two. And then you can go anywhere in the Netherlands for this fixed price. And you don't have to have an OV chip card. You just order this thing online. And then you also do not have to check in and check out. You just show the ticket whenever you have a checkup in the train. The other thing I wanted to show you on this website is also called Dagje Uit, so a day out. And on the left hand side you see, so there's city trips, hiking routes, cycling routes, things to do with children, kunst en cultuur, art and culture. And in here I wanted to show you the spoordeelwinkel. So this is a mix-up of two words. So spoor is the track, the train track, and voordeel is advantage, or in this case that you get a reduction. So they combine these two into a spoordeelwinkel. So in here you can buy train tickets that are mixed up with entrance tickets to all sorts of activities that you would like to go to. So for instance, Fabrique des Lumières, the factory of the lights in Amsterdam. So you travel during daluren, so before or after rush hour. You pay 40 euro per person. That's including the train tickets and the entrance ticket. And they tell you exactly how to get there and at what times you are allowed to travel. It's a return ticket, so for that price you could not do it yourself, of course. That's why I show you this. And yeah, in this one you get lots of wonderful tips and tricks and things to do in the Netherlands. So if you're out of options, then this is a perfect place to go to find some options. I hope you liked my tips and tricks. If you have any questions, you can find me in the link below. Also, if you're interested in Dutch classes, you can find my website in the link below. If you want to ask anything or know anything, feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to help. And I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a lovely New Year. See you in the next year. Bye bye.